In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello everybody, how are you doing? We're doing great with the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm your IELTS IELTS trainer. Additionally, I've been also teaching the students of spoken English for the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute, Lahore. My today's lecture would be about reading subtests of the IELTS, particularly about academic reading strategies. So let's get started. My first instruction to all the test takers would be to read the questions and instructions very carefully. They're extremely important. They can make a difference. Because there is a probability, and what is that? You might end up getting your answer marked wrong, even though it was correct answer. I'll try to show you an example here. People often confuse the yes-no questions with the true-false questions and write true-false as answer instead of yes or no. And this will make your answer incorrect, even if you have understood the question and answered it. Now, something about the word limit now. If the question asks for one word, then give one word only. There is no need to give two words. It will be considered wrong if you are going to write two words instead of one. The next point is about the sequence of questions and answers. It's highly important. Or the order of the answers. Usually, but not always. What is that? The answers usually appear in the text in the same order as the questions. What does it mean? It means that the answer to question 7 will be earlier in the text than the answer to question 8. But there are some exceptional cases. It may not always be true. It may apply to each question types actually, rather than to all the questions altogether. There are some exceptional cases. For example, this will not apply to question types like which paragraph contains this information and true, false, not given type of questions. For these type of questions actually, which I've mentioned earlier, the information may be spread randomly anywhere in the paragraphs. And once again about the word limit, stick to the word limit. It's really important. If the question asks for no more than 3 words, then use no more than 3 words in your answer. Stick to 3 words. Highly significant to stick to the word limit. Writing 4 words or more would be penalized and your answer will be considered incorrect. And my next step would be to answer all the questions. Don't leave questions unanswered. There is no negative marking, so you won't be penalized for the incorrect answers. Remember one thing that's highly significant. The reading test does not test your ability to understand the passage completely. It is not necessary that you must understand each and every word in the passage. Rather, it tests specific skills like skimming and scanning. And what are those skills, skimming and scanning? I'll talk about all these skills, skimming and scanning, in the next further video. They are highly important words, so they need another separate video actually. And you need reading speed actually. Speed reading is highly significant here. The teacher in the class will let you know about what is speed reading, how you can enhance your reading speed, and understanding about the techniques to accurately answer the questions is also important. Thank you very much indeed, my dear friends, for listening to this very important lecture patiently as well. I'll see you in another uploaded video. Until then, God bless you all. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.